Very early in the morning, we got information that in this church, while distributing food, palliative, and other things to members of the public, that there was a stampede. And police officers, especially of the Rapid Response Squad, moved into the place immediately. And we discovered that a lot of people were stampled. It took a lot of effort to be able to move them immediately to the hospital. But unfortunately, we lost 10 people. And I think we had 4 children among those who have lost their lives. I liaised with the hospital authority, who are making frantic effort to work on those who are still in the hospital. About 10 of them have been discharged from the hospital, and I think we have just 4 in the hospital. Only a baby is in critical condition, but they told me he was responding to treatment. And we have made frantic effort to evacuate this place, because even when we came here, we still found over 1,000 or more people still struggling to come in for the palliative. But so far so good. Situation is calm. The FCT task force, comprising of all the security agencies, have been deployed to assist us in the maintaining peace here. And luckily, we have been able to evacuate this place and directed that this place be kept under lock and key until we finish our investigations. And we have said it time and time again, if you are having this kind of ceremony, this kind of occasion where you are going to invite a lot of people, events, palliative giving out, contact the security agencies, the police, the civil defense, contact us so that we can bring in people to assist you to maintain the crowd.